So friends, you're welcome to one more video of DIY Master, and this is your voiceover artist Yukta. Guys, after changing the tire and after balancing and alignment, one more thing is there. If you put that in your car, then the look of your car and wheels of your car will be amazing. Yes friends, I am talking about wheel caps. There are number of variety of wheel caps available in the market. But today I have bought such an advice for you that if you follow it, you can save a good amount of money. And the look of the wheel will also be maintained. Like for example, you can see this wheel. This wheel is look comparatively good. There the backside wheel, because in this wheel there's a shaft cap which has been put, and backside it's not there. Because shaft is there, it's a front wheel drive and the shaft is visible in the front side. Bolts are visible. That's why it's put here. Backside also it was there, but maybe during Stephanie changing it got removed. Now only the two are left in the front side. So the first option is that you put this shaft caps or hub cap in all the four wheels. I have both these available with me. Now come, let's compare which is better option between both of them. So guys, if we talk about the budget, then this one if you buy from any decorate or decorative shop in the market, then it will be a bit costly. This shaft cap, or we can say the black color cap, this is very cheaply available in the market, around 70 rupees or 80 rupees. Like depending upon the market, many people also give it for 100 rupees, but basically talking about its price, single price is also available at 31 rupees is written on it. You can easily get it at around 25 to 30 rupees, and if you buy 4, then you will get it at rupees 80 to 100. After putting this cap also, the car wheels look enhanced. But this is another option which you can put. If you take a full wheel cap, then around 500 to 600, 700, 800, 900, and many a times it depends upon the quality and may go up to 1000 to 2000. But if you want, then at a very economical budget, this half wheel cap, it's basically called the half wheel cap. You can put this half wheel cap also. This gets properly fitted in the bolts and there's no need of additional things to be done. And look wise also it's good. So come on, let's compare them. We'll see comparatively. According to me, there's no problem if we put both of them together, but you can put single also. So come on, let's go out and see which one is more good. So guys, these are our two caps. So like if we put this cap, then inwards there is a ring here that is also looks good, and we can put it in this manner if it looks very nice. But this also cap which is there, if you want to put this, for that you will have to first of all open these two nuts and then it will get fixed in this way. Now if the outer point of your rim is proper, then you can put this cap also, but if the point of your rim tire has completely worn off or it's not looking good, then for sure you can use a full wheel cap, but that will double the cost, the amount of money. And there are a lot of chances that it can come in a breaker, or on some roads it may get removed because it gets stuck in this rim and there is no protection, and hence it can easily be robbed But in case of this one, it doesn't come off easily. Now it will not come off when you open the ring. Then from back you will have to push it and then it will be removed. This is one option. And the second option is, you can put this one also, here also at 2 nuts. The metal thing has been given. You can tighten it with this and after that it can be removed easily. So guys, this is our wheel in which we have put this black cap, and this is with us a different size cap that was a little small. That was for more smaller. Here in this you can see that it will get fixed easily, and here you will have to just open the nuts in the opposite side. So come on, let's open it and fix it. So to open it, only the jack So now as you can see here, the first one has been opened. And now the second one is also opened. Only 2 needs to be opened. Don't loosen all the 4 nuts. And then see here in this there are 2 big and 2 small holes. Wherever there are small holes, fix it there and then tighten these nuts. So guys, in this way you can put cap in your wheels. You can see it's looking very good. So guys, in all the 4 wheels, after putting the half wheel cap, it looks has become very decent, because the full cover one, more problem you might have noticed. Many a times when we go for filling the air, we need to search for the valve tube, and sometimes we need to manually remove it and need to pull it. So that it's not there in this case. And on the top of that, this is comparatively cheaper, looks good also and easy as well. Looking onto the safety of the wheel, this never comes out on its own. And second is, it is supported by nuts and half of the wheel is also visible, as cleaning of wheel is also necessary. So that can also be done. So these were the things I thought I should tell you, and here I told you. I hope you would have liked this small video. So we'll meet in our next video. Thank you for watching us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the video.